As I've been saying about the verb ser, that it has got an very important status in the Spanish grammar. So I hope that you are now more of acquainted with the verb ser. Adding more information to it, the verb ser, that means to be, is used for the fixed state, that is, to describe fixed conditions and essential qualities. It is normally used to give personal information and to express the conditions such as, we can see in this table, the conditions such as nationality, place of origin, religion, relationship, profession, economical status, political affiliation, personal description, day, date or time, material or possession. If any of these conditions or qualities if you see or if you want to state in a question or a statement, then you have to use the verb ser. These are the conditions where the verb ser will be applied. So we'll see all these conditions one by one. First, the nationality or place of origin. For example, the question is, ¿De dónde eres? That means, where are you from? I am asking you a question about your place of origin. From where are you? ¿De dónde eres? So that's why I have to include the verb ser. Soy francés. Soy de Paris. I am French. I am from Paris. Again, I am stating my nationality or I am stating my place of origin. So I have to use the verb ser. Next, religion. If I am stating a question or an statement, I have to use the verb ser. Son los Garcias Bautistas. Are the Garcias Baptists? I am asking about the religion. So again I have to use the verb ser. No, son católicos. No, they are Catholics. Next condition, the relationship. Es Julio el tío de Marta? That means, is Julio the uncle of Marta? Over here in this question, I am asking the relation between Julio and Marta, and that's why I have to introduce the verb ser. No, es el primo de Marta. No, he is Marta's cousin. Profession. Es ingeniero? Is he an engineer? No, es médico. No, he is a doctor. Again, if you are saying something about the profession of a person, you have to use the verb ser. Economical status. ¿Eres rico or pobre? Are you rich or poor? Sí, soy rico or pobre. Yes, I am rich or poor. Political affiliation. ¿Sois socialistas? Are you all socialists? No, somos comunistas. No, we are communists. Personal description. ¿Cómo eres? Soy alto. How are you? I am tall. Over here, ¿cómo eres? How are you? This is not the question for asking about your health or about your status. If it is asking you ¿Cómo eres?, you don't have to answer that I am fine. This is not the how are you of your status of your health. It is about your personal description. And thus I have to answer about my description as soy alto, I am tall. Juan es un chico sincero. Juan is a sincere boy. If I'm using any day, date or time, then I have to use the verb ser. Hoy es lunes. Es el 4 de mayo. Today is Monday. It is 4th of May. Material. ¿De qué material es la mesa? Of what material is the table? La mesa es de madera. The table is of the wood. Position. Es la maleta de Jose? Is the bag of Jose? No. Es de Carlos. No, it is of Carlos. As I said in the start of explaining you this table, that the verb ser is used for the fixed state. So if you notice, all these states are fixed for any person. That is, the nationality and place of origin is not going to change for a person. Religion is the same from when you're born till you die. The relationship, like the mother-father or uncle-aunt, grandparents, grandsons, granddaughters, that's the relationship which is not going to change at any point of time. Profession. If you think that now today I am a student and tomorrow I am going to be engineer, so if you say that is temporary, actually it is not, because when I am saying profession, all these states which I have written down in this table are the states which are counted for a long time. If I say I am an engineer, that means that engineering profile with me is going to be there for a long time. Same goes with the economical status, that if you are rich or poor, if you say that no, today I am rich, but in future I may be poor, or vice versa, today I am poor, tomorrow I'll be rich, that's fine. But again, the condition is the status has to be for a longer period. Nobody can change from poor to rich in just one night. So if I'm talking about your richness or your poorness, it is considered for a long time, and that's why it is taken in the fixed state. Same goes for the political affiliation, personal description. As I said, if you are asked that how are you in using the verb ser, then you have to say about your description, that how you look, how you are, and you don't have to answer about your status that I am fine or I am sick. No, that's not the answer, because I am asking you about the fixed state of yours. If I say that I am fine or I am tired or I am sick, those are not the fixed states. I am asking you como eres. Eres is the conjugation of verb ser, and ser is used for the fixed state. So I am asking you about how are you in reference to your fixed state. So I have to describe myself that I am tall, I am short, I am whatever, about your attitude. Day, date and time. Today is Monday. So if you say that today is Monday and tomorrow is going to be Tuesday, so it is not fixed. But when I'm talking to you, that is, the condition is fixed. If at this moment I'm talking to you and I'm telling you that today is Monday, that state is going to be for a longer period of time. It is not going to change in just an instant, and it will be changed to Tuesday or Wednesday, right? Next, material. Of course, this is not going to change, this is fixed. A table is of wood, so it will be is of wood, so it is going to remain of wood for forever. It can't be changed to plastic at some point of time. Possession. The question which we have taken in here as an example is the bag of Kose. So I am asking about the possession of that bag. Is that bag of Kose? So in the answer we have written it is not of Kose, it is of Carlos. So the bag is possessed by Carlos. It may happen that if you say that the bag is stolen and it is now with Kose, so it is of Kose. No. The original state, the possession was of Carlos. So that's why it is counted as a fixed state. Okay, that was a pretty detailed rules and instructions of how to use and apply the verb ser